Hey guys, quick question. Do you know the vowels in English? If you watched my last video, we talked about the alphabet. But what about the vowels or vocales in English? Let's do this together. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, your turn. Good job. Vowels can make many sounds in English. No es como en español. Hay muchos sonidos. Entonces, because there are a lot of sounds, we're going to focus on two in this video. Long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds make the name of the letter. So what is the name of this letter? A. Right, you just said it. A. The name of this letter? E. This is letter E. I, O, U. We just made the long vowel sounds. A, as in able. Are you able to make that sound? Even though you just learned these vowels? Even? I think you can do it. I think you can do it. Only if you try. Only if you try. You can do it. You can do it. So those are the long vowel sounds. All of those words have these vowels, and they make the sound of the letter or the name of the letter. What about short vowel sounds? So if long vowel sounds are these names, A, E, I, O, U. What are short vowel sounds? We have a long, we're going to make them short. A, I, O, Yes, a little different from Spanish. If the long vowel makes the sound of the letter A, the short vowel sound makes this little tiny sound. Ah. Bag. This is a, bag. Bag. Next, beg. Beg. To beg is a verb when you're asking for something. Please, mommy. Por favor, porfis. Yo quiero ir. I want to go. Beg. Big. Algo grande. Big. Wow, your house is so big. Big. Frog. Ribbit. Frog. This is the word we make when we're thinking in English. You will hear this a lot. Even though a lot starts with A, it still makes that short U sound. Under. I am under the vowels. Good job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps. And don't forget to write some comments. Escribes en la sección de comentarios unas oraciones, some ejemplos con vocales largas or long vowels and short vowels. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.